Welcome to all of you on the vocab session, guys. This is Komal Gupta, and I'm the vocab coach at IDQ for the past 3 years. Now, I'm going to start a very important and the interesting topic, that is a power vocabulary. But before starting this topic, I would like to know from you why this session is important. Why vocabulary is important. If you don't know the vocabulary, then what? Yes, Shalish.
Yeah, vocab will help us to convey our thoughts effectively and perfectly.
Perfectly. Very nice. Very nice. Impressively, guys. Dekho. See, why we have joined this IDQ platform with one reason to become an effective and impressive speaker. But how we can impress our audience? How we can impress? Definitely, the one area is that we have to work on our body gestures. Second area is that we have to work on our thoughts. And the third area is that we have to work on our vocabulary.
Okay.
Instead of using the basic words, if you use some good words, that you can easily impress your audience. Okay, right? Anish, why do you want to become an effective?
Thank you.
Yes. Anish, why do you want to become an effective and impressive speaker?
Hello.
Yes, Anish.
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you want to become an effective and impressive speaker?
To ma'am, help others or
हाँ
help others who speaking.
हाँ, सबसे पहले लेकिन वो कहते हैं ना, हम अपनी दूसरों की सहायता से पहले अपनी सहायता कीजिए.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so why? So why you want to become a fluent and impressive speaker?
Fluency in English in my routine life and to impress others.
To impress others. So basically, why we want to become an impressive and influent speaker? To impress others. अब others को हम कैसे impress कर सकते हैं? By enhancing our vocabulary. And that's why every Saturday we are meeting to
Vocabulary.
enhance our vocabulary. Okay. So guys, I'm going to share some words today in this area, in this session. Today, we are going to discuss 5 to 6 words, not more than 5 to 6 words, because 5 to 6 words are easily you can retain into your mind. Okay. So what the 5 words or the 6 words I have chosen for you that will remove very. Many times we use very. I am very angry. Ma'am, you know what he has done with me for his behavior. I am very angry on him. Okay. Ma'am, today is very hot in Delhi. Very hot. Okay. Very terrible. Very terrible. Very bad. Ma'am, my handwriting is too bad. My handwriting is very bad. So guys, have you seen most of the time we always use very. Right? This is our nature. This is our habit. Always we use very. So in today's session, we try to omit this very. हम इस very को remove करेंगे. Okay. But now my question is to Ankush. Ankush, why we want to remove this very?
Because if we use very, there are 2 words. If we replace it, so it will become
Achha,
one.
so it means you are just shorten your task. Very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice. Any
Very
more
is common
inputs?
word, ma'am.
Yes.
Very is common word.
Very is very common. Very is very common. If you are using only very hot, very terrible, so you cannot impress your audience. Guys, only keep the objective into your mind. Why you are using these words? To impress the audience. If you are using again very, so you cannot impress. The second thing is your vocabulary becomes very limited. Vocabulary becomes very limited. It becomes very basic. It seems like a very basic vocab you are using. Okay, so that's why we are using. So let's start today's topic. Today's the words are quite simple. Okay, the 5 words. Today we are going to discuss 5 words. Okay, guys. So in this way, I will not share a list. Suppose Anish, Subodh, I'm not going to share the list of words. Okay, guys, this is a list and you have to cram and then we will do practice. No, we will not apply this strategy. What the strategy we will apply in IDQ? I will share some fill-ups. With the help of the clue. मैं clue दूंगी, एक fill up दूंगी. Now what you have to do, you just try to fill that fill up according to your own vocabulary. What the vocabulary you have, Just fill up. Don't think so ki whether it is right or wrong, because here we are for the learning purpose. Okay, now let's start. Yes, Anish, would you like to try?
Yes, ma'am, I can.
Read the sentence.
Even though his grammar is
The clue is very bad. What the word is coming immediately into your mind if the clue is very bad?
Is roast.
Is
Roast. WROST.
worst.
Worst.
हाँ,
Worst.
worst. W silent होता है अंकुश.
Okay,
इसमें
ma'am.
W silent होता है. हाँ.
ma'am, we even though his grammar is not, we can use not understandable, but we
Not-
understand.
Horrible.
Okay, very nice, very nice. Horrible हो गया, worst हो गया. What other inputs are coming? Anyone?
Pathetic.
Very poor. Very poor.
Pathetic. Very good. Poor.
Very poor.
Pathetic. Poor. Yes, because this
It-
poor word we have listened since our childhood. In
Incorrect.
teachers. Yes, Subodh?
Incorrect.
In?
Incorrect.
Incorrect. No. Incorrect is a different word. We are talking about the very bad.
Distinguish.
Good evening, ma'am. Jai
Good
Shri
evening,
Krishna.
Indu.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good, dear. I'm good. Okay, the first word, Indu, we are going to discuss. So very bad. Okay, so some words: pathetic, worst, poor, not up to the mark, not visible. So these types of words are coming into our mind. Okay, great. Yes, next. Yes, Ravi.
Very terrible.
Yes, ma'am. He committed a death crime.
Terrible.
Clue is very terrible.
Aurelius.
Hmm?
Aurelius.
Aurelius. Okay.
Heinous.
Heinous. Okay.
Terrible.
Very
Awful.
terrible.
Awful. Can we speak, ma'am?
Awful. Okay.
I'm horrendous also, maybe.
Okay.
Horrible.
Horrible. Okay.
Yes, serious.
Serious.
Yeah.
Okay. Anand.
Danger.
Dangerous. Okay. Very nice. Dangerous. Most of the time we use this. Dangerous. Okay. Okay. Next. Yes. Shalish.
Now third one.
Third one. Yes.
She had an headache. Very painful. No, painful.
She had an
Yes.
painful headache.
हाँ.
Okay. Yes, Sunanda, you are saying
Extreme.
something?
Extreme, sir.
Extreme. Yeah.
Extreme. Okay. Yes. She had an extreme headache. Okay.
Bad headache.
Bad headache कौन सा होता है? Good headache भी होता है कुछ? हाँ?
Severe. Ma'am, severe.
Severe. Very good.
Severe.
Unbearable.
Severe. Unbearable. Very nice. She had an unbearable headache.
Ma'am, I'm in the flight, ma'am, and within very few minutes it will be fly. Then
Okay. कहाँ जा रहे हो सुनंदा?
network.
Where are you going?
I will go to Chennai, ma'am.
Chennai. Okay. For your concert?
No, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
Another purpose, ma'am.
Okay. That's great. No issues, Sunanda. I will share the recording.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Great.
I am listening.
Unbearable. Yes. Unbearable. Okay. Very nice. Unbearable. Okay. Next. Subodh.
Your problems are
Your problems are dash compared to their. The clue is very small.
Tiny.
Your
Okay. Yes. Tiny. Very nice. Next.
Compact.
Compact. Okay.
your
We can-
problems are bearable. Compared to
Bearable.
their.
No, the clue is very small.
Your problems are very less
Okay. Very less.
compared to their.
Okay.
Minor.
Okay. Well tried.
Ignorable, ma'am.
Okay. Sunanda, please mute. Okay. Next.
Ignorable.
Yes, dash and dash building. The clue is very old.
Ancient.
Yes,
Ancient.
okay, ancient. Very old. Very old. Okay. So guys,
Age.
what we discuss, we just fill these fill-ups with the help of our own power vocab. Jitni bhi vocabulary we have till now, we have just filled these fill-ups. Okay. So I'm not saying that these words are incorrect or the correct, but now what we are learning the appropriate and the more impressive words. Okay. Now I'm going to share the appropriate words, and I really appreciate if you note down these words, because after that I will share one topic. I will share one topic with you at the end of the session, and what you have to do, you have to make one write-up and discuss by using all the words which we are going to discuss in today's session. Okay, so for that you should have the words along with the meaning. Okay, the topic is, the word is, okay, can anyone pronounce this word?
Atrocious.
Atrocious.
Atrocious. And the second word is?
Appalling.
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 Appalling or atrocious. Atrocious. So what is the meaning of this word? The word is very bad. Very bad. Meaning of these words are very bad. These are the synonyms. Even you can use the atrocious or you can use the appalling. The meaning of these two words are very bad. The meaning of these two
Atrocious.
words are very
Appalling.
bad. Atrocious.
And appalling.
Atrocious. Okay. Suppose I have today after the session, I will assign one assignment. Okay. And Ankush is saying, "Ki, ma'am, so sorry, I don't have the time to just do this assignment right now. So can I share my assignment on your personal wall?" And I said, "Okay, Ankush, you can share." And Ankur has shared his vocab assignment to me, which is not readable, which is in a very bad handwriting. So what I will say to Ankush, oh my God, Ankush, your handwriting is atrocious. What I will say, I will not say, even I can say, Ankur, your handwriting is very bad. Most of the time we speak in this way. But what I can say, Ankush, your handwriting is atrocious. I'm not able to read it. Okay?
Yeah.
Right? But Ankush, most welcome. Whatever the handwriting you have, you just send. At least send karna.
No, actually my handwriting is very atrocious.
नहीं अंकुश, अब देखो यहाँ पर क्या मिस्टेक करा अंकुर आपने. Atrocious भी वर्ड बोला और very भी वर्ड बोला.
Oh, sorry.
Atrocious के अंदर ही very है. So what you will say, ma'am, in reality, my handwriting is atrocious. My handwriting is atrocious. Get it?
Yes.
Yes. Now, can anyone read the sentence?
We were tired of eating our cook's atrocious meals. So we suggested her to take a cooking workshop.
Cooking workshop. Atrocious meals. Atrocious means very bad. Very bad. Very bad. क्या खाना बनाया, इतना बेकार खाना बनाया है. मेरा तो मन ही खराब हो गया. So how you will speak? What the atrocious meal you have cooked today? Okay, atrocious meals. Atrocious is an adjective, so that's why it is coming before the noun. Atrocious meal. Yes. Next. Shailendra.
Comment. Made an appalling comment on my family. So couldn't maintain my cool.
Maintain my cool मतलब मैं अपने गुस्से को शांत नहीं कर सका. काबू नहीं कर सका. तो appalling comments. Appalling comments means bad comments. Bad comments.
I can use appalling or atrocious, no? Either.
Yes. Both are interchangeable. Interchangeable. Either you can atrocious use or you can use appalling. Appalling.
Yeah.
What the comment you are speaking? Appalling comments. Why you are giving the appalling comments on my Insta reel? Why you are giving the appalling comments on my Insta reel? Okay. Right? So that we can use.
Yes.
Okay, guys. So now the very simple sentences I have written for you guys. Okay, quickly read up. You can easily connect with these words. The food at the restaurant was absolutely atrocious. Suppose you went to some 5-star hotel and you spent a lot, but the food quality was very bad. So what we mostly say, oh my God, yesterday I went to the 5-star hotel, but the food quality was very bad. Okay, but what you can say, the food quality was
Atrocious.
atrocious. You can also use absolutely atrocious. That you can also use. His handwriting is atrocious. I cannot read a single word. Okay, you can even say to your kids also, oh my God, your handwriting is atrocious. Maybe your child will think, oh my God, the papa and the mama is praising me. But no, atrocious is in the bad, negative term. The weather during our vacation was atrocious. What does it mean? The weather during our vacation was atrocious.
हमारे वेकेशन में वेदर काफी खराब था, उसमें पूरा दिन खराब था।
Weather was very
खराब
bad.
था, वेदर बहुत खराब था, लेकिन मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम क्या बोलते हैं, वेदर वॉज नॉट गुड. Weather was not good. Weather was not good. Suppose you go some to some hill stations, and that time there was so much raining. So what we said, "Arey yaar, the plan was too hopeless because the weather was very bad, or the weather was not good." But what you can say, the weather was atrocious. Okay. The living conditions in the camp were appalling. The living conditions in the camp were appalling. What does it mean, Anish?
कैंप की कंडीशन बहुत ही खराब थी.
बहुत ही खराब थी. The camp की conditions बहुत ही खराब थी. So you can use appalling or atrocious. His attitude was simply appalling. Her attitude was simply appalling. Yes?
Why we are using simply here? We can remove simply as well, no? His attitude was
That you can use his attitude was appalling. That you can also say his attitude was simply बिल्कुल ही खराब था. सलीश यहाँ पर मतलब है simply appalling means
it
बिल्कुल
sound
ही
like very appalling, no?
नहीं. It doesn't sounds like very appalling. It simply मतलब बिल्कुल ही खराब था.
खराब.
बिल्कुल ही खराब था. His attitude was simply appalling. Okay?
Yeah.
Suppose Ankush went for a date. Ankush, are you married?
Yes, ma'am. Why are you sending me on date?
So sorry. I'm just taking the example so that you
No,
can.
ma'am, it's no issue.
Okay, so that you can relate. Okay, those
Yeah.
students who have switched on their camera, I can only take the examples of that. Otherwise, it is very tough for me. Okay, suppose Ankush is, nahin, Ankush, aap to married ho yaar, I'm not taking your example. Okay, I'm just taking the general example. Okay, suppose you were going for a date. Okay, and you just met with your girlfriend and you didn't like the attitude of that girl. So what you can say, agar suppose your friend is calling you, hey, you just met up with that girl and how was your experience? Then you can say, my experience was atrocious. My experience was appalling. Then the next question will come. Why? Because then you can say, because her attitude was appalling. Her attitude was atrocious.
Yes.
Okay, got it?
Yeah.
How to use this?
Got it.
How to use these words? Hi, Suvarna. Hello, madam. You are late, but still, I think so, that you are understanding these concepts. The first first word we have discussed, atrocious and appalling. It means very bad. Now, from today onwards, don't use very bad. What the word you will use?
Atrocious.
And appalling. Now, if you although you cannot use these words, but still, if you want, ma'am, 1 mahina ho gaya, but still now my communication skills are very bad. So how you will say in English?
Since 1 month over, but my communication is very appalling or atrocious.
Very nahi lagana, Suvarna.
My communication is atrocious.
Ma'am, already it's the one. It has been 1 month over, but still my communication skills are atrocious. My communication skills are appalling. But मैंने हिम्मत नहीं आ रही है. But
Still I am
Not good.
trying.
Still I'm trying. I didn't give up. Still I'm trying. I didn't give
I
up.
have never given up.
Okay, so atrocious. Got it clear, guys? Atrocious, appalling. Very
Yeah,
bad
clear.
को हटा देना. Okay. Shall I start the next word?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Vinod. Okay. Rajeshwari, Vinod, Anjali is traveling. Okay. Okay. The next word. The next word is, okay, can anyone read this word?
Horrendous.
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 Horrendous means
H is
very
silence.
terrible. Very terrible.
Very
Terrible.
terrible.
Very terrible. Very terrible. Basically, horrendous, atrocious, ये सब basically synonyms होते हैं. लेकिन if you are talking about a crime, अगर थोड़ा सा crime की उसमें आ जाता है, in which some emotions are connected, if you are feeling emotionally disturbed, so then you can use this word horrendous. Horrendous. I did a horrendous mistake. Mama, please, please, please don't punish me. I know I did a horrendous mistake. Horrendous mistake. Okay, because that person is feeling guilt. The person is feeling guilt. He is emotionally disturbed. So in that case, we have to use the horrendous.
So, ma'am.
Hi, Anjali. Good to see you, dear. Even I read your message.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Now you are at home?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Great, 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 great. Okay, I have done a horrendous mistake. I have done a horrendous mistake. Clear? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I have done an horrendous mistake.
Terrible.
I found this food to have horrendous smell. Very terrible smell. Sometimes it happens, na, the food is stale, basi food hota hai, and we are getting a very smelly. So we are saying, oh my God, this food is giving so much smell. So what you can say, this food has having a horrendous smell. Horrendous smell. Matlab that disturbs you. That disturbs you. It's better to have an empty stomach. The villagers were shocked that a boy so young could commit a horrendous crime. ठीक है, तो basically horrendous word जो आता है वो हमारा आता है shocking, crime, mistakes. इसके साथ if you are using this vocabulary, so then we can use the horrendous. Okay, now the crash was horrendous. Several people were injured. Shocking. मतलब जो crash था was horrendous. Okay. She faced horrendous bullying in the school. She faced bullying. Are you guys getting this word bullying?
Yes,
Yeah.
ठीक है, bullying, we already know this word. Okay. So she faced horrendous bullying. Why? Because ऐसा bullying, इतना terrible bullying था कि that makes her disturbed, emotionally disturbed.
Emotional disturbed.
So whenever we are talking about the very bad, इसका मतलब भी same है guys, very bad, but in a emotionally disturbed sense.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Anjali.
Ma'am, horrendous and atrocious are similar words.
All are similars. All are similars. But but there is a thin line difference between the atrocious and horrendous. When atrocious means very bad. Bad in the terms of experience, bad in the terms of weather, bad in the terms of handwriting. Okay. But whenever you are in a shock, whenever you are emotionally disturbed, in that case, you use this word horrendous. Okay. Otherwise, these are all मिलता जुलता कहते हैं ना, वैसा ही है सब. लेकिन अगर क्राइम है, मिस्टेक वर्ड्स अगर आपको यूज करना है, so I always suggest use this word horrendous. Instead of atrocious, use this word horrendous. Okay. The next word. Yes. Ravi, can you read this word?
Excruciating.
Excruciating. Guys, are you noting these words now? Are you noting these words now?
Unbearable.
Unbearable.
Unbearable. Excruciating. Excruciating. This word is unbearable, excruciating. What does it mean? So, Suvarna, just read it.
Very painful.
Yes. And use very painful.
हाँ, very painful. Excruciating का मतलब होता है very painful. अब guys,
My patient has an
हाँ.
excruciating pain after the surgery.
Very nice, very nice, very nice, Suvarna. Excellent. And I'm very happy ki dad, I always welcome this practice, guys. If you will make the sentences by using own profession so that you can start using these words. So excruciating का मतलब होता है very painful. अब guys, pain जो होता है, there are the two types of pain. So that's why I have mentioned. One is a physical pain जो outer body पे होता है, and one is the inner pain. That is the emotional pain. So whatever the pain you are feeling, for that you can use excruciating. It is not always mandatory that the pain is always on the outer body. Sometimes we can feel the pain. So for that, you can also use this excruciating. Got it? Got it? She was so weak. She was weak and the pain was excruciating. But she was determined to go to office. Okay? Pain was excruciating. मतलब pain was intense. Excruciating का देखो guys, एक मतलब होता है pain. Pain हो गया ma'am. Today I'm not able to attend the class. I have pain. ठीक है, pain है. But excruciating का मतलब when the intense of pain is very high. Whenever there is an intensity. Whenever there is an intensity. So it means excruciating. एक होता है normal pain that you can bear. एक होता है unbearable pain जिसको you cannot bear. So that pain is called excruciating. Okay? Got it? Two types of pain, physical and
Emotional.
emotional. Physical and emotional. Physical and emotional. Okay? So suppose I'm taking this example. चलो अंकुश का ही लेते हैं, अंकुश ही दिखता है मुझे तो. चलो अंकुश का एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं. सपोज कर अंकुश की जो गर्लफ्रेंड है वो हमेशा के लिए अंकुश को टाटा बाय बाय बोल के चली गई है. नाउ द अंकुश इज सेइंग मैम to say bye bye to that girl was really excruciating for me. अब देखो उसमें कोई उसको चोट नहीं लगी है, ठीक है? Emotionally वो पेन हुआ है. Emotionally he got pain. Okay? So both that is clear?
Yes.
Anish, David, Rajeshwari, Indu, Vinod, Prem Singh, guys, please turn on your camera. हाँ. नहीं मुझे एक बार बताओ, इतने सारे स्टूडेंट्स ने स्विच ऑफ क्यों कर रखा है? सैटरडे नाइट स्पॉइल कर दिया क्या मैंने तुम लोगों का? बट स्टिल vocab is always on the Saturday, so you have to manage. Okay? चलो, read these sentences. I have made very beautiful sentences so that you can easily retain. Yes. I feel excruciating pain on my throat. Ma'am, I have a severe pain. Most of the time हम क्या बोलते हैं? I have a severe pain. I have acute pain. But what you can say? I feel excruciating pain. I had an excruciating toothache. Toothache का मतलब? What does it mean toothache?
दांत में दर्द होना.
दांत का दर्द जो होता है उसको हम इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं toothache. पेट में दर्द है उसको इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं?
Abdomen pain. Stomach pain.
Stomach pain. नहीं, pain
Stomach ache.
Stomach ache.
Stomach ache.
हाँ, सर में दर्द हो, headache. Headache. ठीक है? So I had an excruciating toothache that kept me awake all the night. It was excruciating to say goodbye to my best friend. Now, guys, this is an emotional pain. Second one is an emotional pain. David, read number 3rd.
The movie was so slow and boring. It was excruciating to sit.
What does it mean?
Means,
Again, it is an emotional pain. Guys, this is not a physical pain.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ.
Yes, ma'am.
मतलब मूवी इतनी बोर था, इतनी स्लो थी.
It was very difficult to sit.
हाँ, it was very painful to sit. लेकिन अब पैसे तो दे दिए, 500 रुपए की तो टिकट कटवा ली, ऊपर से 500 रुपए के पॉपकॉर्न भी खरीद लिए. So I have to sit, but it was really excruciating. It was excruciating.
Next sentence, can I read?
Yes?
Next
Yes, David?
Nothing, ma'am.
नहीं, कुछ बोल रहे थे. Sorry, I am not able to hear you. Speak louder.
No, I'm simply.
You can use a chat option. You can use a chat option, David. Watching the team loss in finals was excruciating. Okay. So guys, I really appreciate guys if you make one sentence in the chat box of excruciating or any word. Abhi tak right now we have discussed 3 words. One is excruciating, one is atrocious, one is second word क्या था?
Horrendous.
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 कोई भी एक word.
Appalling.
Appalling, atrocious are
Appalling.
same. Appalling, atrocious, Suvarna, these are the same words.
Horrendous.
Horrendous. So just make any sentence. कोई भी word जो सबसे ज्यादा trigger हुआ है आपके mind पे. Just make any single sentence in the chat box. Write down in the chat box. Any word. Anand, are you using the chat option?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Final Destination movie is horrendous. Final Destination matlab?
It's a movie name, ma'am. Final Destination.
Acha, okay. Final Destination.
Movie. That's why I write movie.
Acha, Final Destination movie is horrendous. Okay. The result of loss in lucky draw made him hoga. Anand made him. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
very nice.
Very
Made
nice.
him atrocious. Okay. His way of talking is atrocious. Ravi, his way of talking is atrocious.
Yes, madam, typing.
Right.
Arrangement was in the function.
Yes, any more sentences? In metros, there is horrendous situations of gundas. कौन से metros में होता है सुवर्णा? Which metro you are talking? Okay. Terrorist attack in Pahalgam was horrendous. Very nice, Anjali. Bandit Queen file was excruciating. People made horrendous her life. People made horrendous her life.
Atrocious.
Acha, very painful. Okay. Okay, very nice, Shailesh. The judgment of divorce made her excruciating situation. Okay. Arrangement was atrocious in the function. Very nice. The road condition after rain was horrendous. Very nice. Try to use the words which you can use into your profession. Suppose करो बॉस का बिहेवियर है. तुम जा रहे हो कि बॉस मेरी सैलरी रेस कर दो. And boss is saying no. So then what you will say to your colleague? यार आज का तो बॉस का जो behavior है was atrocious. We have excruciating pain after losing my father-in-law. Very nice. Okay, got it. So now you guys are getting how to use these words. Walking even a single step from now would be excruciating. Better we sit for a while. Okay, what is the next word? Can anyone pronounce this word? Yes, Anish?
Minuscule.
Minuscule. Behavior of his wife in meeting, calling for all. Yes, minuscule. What is the meaning of this word? The meaning of this word is very small, tiny, chota, very small. Okay. Suppose your fluency coach is saying, okay, now Anjali, you have to speak on this topic. And what the Anjali did, Anjali just spoke only 2 or 3 lines on that topic. And after that, the Anjali stucks. So now her fluency coach will speak. Oh my God, Anjali, your speech is too small. Or your speech is very small. Try to make more lengthy. So what we can say, Anjali, your speech is minuscule. Your speech is minuscule. Try to use more right brain. To make it lengthy. Okay, got it? Minuscule.
Right, ma'am.
My office is minuscule. Not more than 4 to 5 employees could be accommodated. इतना छोटा है.
Ma'am, can we use this word for distance?
Distance in the sense?
Like the distance between my office and my house is minuscule.
हाँ, yes, very small. Very small. Yes. Nowadays, to shoot a short film, director needs a minuscule amount of time. Minuscule amount of time. थोड़ा कम time. Okay. Suppose. Anand.
Yes,
Anand,
ma'am.
do you understand Hindi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Suppose. Anand, you want to reduce your weight. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And suppose Ravi is your friend and Ravi is saying, you are talking with Ravi, I want to reduce my weight. And Ravi is saying कि Anand, you have to, मतलब आपको थोड़ा खाना है. तो how, Ravi, how will you speak to Anand?
Ravi advised me to eat minuscule.
हाँ, to eat minuscule क्या?
Minuscule portion of food.
Minuscule portions of food or minuscule meal. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, guys, I have written some for you. The improvement in communication was minuscule. The improvement in communication was minuscule, but noticeable. ठीक है? आपका जो communication में हुआ है improvement वो minuscule है, मतलब थोड़ा है. That is not too much, but still it is noticeable. So if you will speak in this way, so you can motivate others. Okay? The chances of rain today are minuscule. ठीक है? Very less, very small, tiny that you can use. Her handwriting was so minuscule. इसमें भी हम यहाँ पर ये words use सकते हैं. Her handwriting कहते हैं ना यार आपकी handwriting इतनी छोटी है कीड़े मकोड़े की तरह. कभी कभी हम बोलते हैं ना इतना छोटा आप लिखते हो. So what you can say, your handwriting is so minuscule. I could barely read it. Even a minuscule compliment can boost someone's confidence. What does it mean? Even a minuscule compliment.
छोटी सी तारीफ.
लेकिन
किसी का कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ा.
हम
छोटी सी तारीफ. But guys, this is our human nature कि हम we are not in a habit to compliment others. Others so छोड़ो, we are not in a habit to compliment to our family members. Even, अच्छा एक बार honestly answer me this question. How many of you are literally complimenting your spouses?
0.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is saying yes? Anjali. Okay. And
Ma'am,
what
I
about
don't
me?
have-
Suvarna.
Suvarna.
Myself,
Okay. Suvarna. Okay.
Yes.
Got it. And what about males part?
0.
Ma'am, I don't have.
Shailesh is saying 0. But guys, this is very important. Even अभी हमने ये पढ़ा है ना, what even a minuscule compliment. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो पार्लर से तैयार होके ही आएंगी, 10-20 हजार की साड़ी पहनेंगी, then you have to start compliments. No, even suppose your spouse has made a very lavish food for you. Delicious. हमने एक वर्ड याद करा था, very delicious का क्या बोल सकते हैं अब हम? Scrumptious. Suppose your spouse has made a scrumptious food for you. Even if you can just give a compliment. So that is a minuscule compliment. आपको कोई उसको award नहीं देना है. But still this is a minuscule compliment. And we are, मतलब literally I must say कि we are not implementing this habit. But we must include this habit, okay, into our behavior. Then you will see the magic.
Actually, why Indian male or Indian people are not why they are not having this habit?
Ego. Shailesh, ego.
Ego, and there is also one thing. Most of people know if you praise them, you are looking good or something. No, so those people they not say thank you. They says क्या मजाक कर रहा है, छोड़ना, समझ।
नहीं, सर पे चढ़ जाएंगे। फिर
नहीं
सर पे
but
चढ़ जाएंगे।
अच्छा, at least you can give the compliment into your room. I'm not saying you can, although I always appreciate that you have to give the compliment in front of the family members.
I'm not talking about.
Hello.
Yes.
We are not taught etiquette manners since our childhood. This is the main thing. Main
हाँ,
problem is there.
नहीं एटिकेट्स नहीं सुबोध, हम एटिकेट से बहुत सिखाते हैं बचपन से अपने
सिखाते हैं,
बच्चों को,
but
बट
we-
हम ना ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट का वो उनको बिहेवियर में नहीं इनकलकेट करते। हमें लगता है टेकन इज ग्रांटेड वाला नहीं होता है। ठीक है, खाना बना दिया तो इट इज नॉट ड्यूटी ना, क्या कर दिया। अगर हस्बैंड कहीं घुमाने ले गया तो क्या कर दिया, इट इज हर ड्यूटी, हिज ड्यूटी। So what the मतलब big task he has done. So in this way we start thinking. But what I'm saying is this minuscule compliment gives a big magic into your life. So start using these minuscule compliments. Don't wait कि जब एकदम पार्लर से तैयार होके आएंगी मैं तो तभी तारीफ करूंगा, जब एकदम 5 स्टार होटल के शेफ जैसा खाना बनाएगी मैं तो तभी तारीफ करूंगी, एंड वाइस वर्सा, दिस इज फॉर फीमेल्स ऑल्सो, कि जब मुझे बिल्कुल प्रेजेंट मिलेगा 10-20 हजार का मैं तभी थैंक्स करूंगी। नो, छोटे छोटे मिनिस्कुल यू हैव टू गिव। okay guys, so minuscule compliment. Okay, now next word is ancient. This is very simple word, guys. The word is very old.
Ancient.
Very old. Very old. हाँ, सपोज अब देखो हम हमेशा इसको करते हैं एंशियंट इंडिया, एंशियंट चाइना,
times.
एंशियंट टाइम्स। अब सपोज करो आई एम टेकिंग सुवर्णा's एग्जाम्पल। सपोज आई एम टॉकिंग विद सुवर्णा, आस्किंग फ्रॉम सुवर्णा, हे सुवर्णा यू हैव जॉइंड लेट। नाउ द सुवर्णा इज सेइंग, मैम मेरा जो लैपटॉप है ना इज सो एंशियंट, मतलब मेरा लैपटॉप जो है बहुत ओल्ड है।
Old.
My laptop is so ancient, it takes time to start. So in this way also you can use this word. Don't think so कि ancient मतलब हमेशा प्राचीन पुरातन ही हम सोचते हैं। No, the word has multiple meanings. So what you can say कि मैम my laptop is so ancient, it takes time to start, so that's why I joined the session late.
Yes.
Got it? Got it?
Very ancient.
Yes,
His
Anand?
views are very ancient.
Yes, Anand, speak louder.
His views are very ancient.
His views are very ancient. Okay, very old. Yes. That you can also say. Suppose, Anand, I'm asking to you. Anand, you just make a video on this topic. And then you are saying, ma'am, my phone is ancient. My phone is ancient. Mother, I don't have that features. Ki how I can record my video. My phone is ancient. It is only वो बटन टिक 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 वाला था, याद है? नोकिया का फोन होता था।
Keypad.
हाँ,
Keypad वाला.
कीपैड, हाँ, सिंपल सा जो होता था, छोटा सा जो फोन होता था। So my phone is so ancient, I am not able to record the session. So in this way also you can use. My grandfather used to tell the ancient stories to me. पुरानी कथाएं सुनाते थे। So very good. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Stop. In ancient times, dinosaurs roamed the planet. Okay, guys. Now we are coming back to the fill-ups. Again, we are coming back to fill-ups. Now, what the activity is that you have to fill the right fill-up. Abhi tak whatever we did, the words which are coming into our mind. Okay, let's start with Subodh. Subodh, read it.
Even though his grammar is atrocious, we understand him.
Very nice. Even though his grammar is atrocious, grammar is very bad, still we are able to understand him. Anish.
He committed a horrendous crime.
Horrendous. He committed a horrendous crime.
Horrendous.
He committed a horrendous crime. Yes. Yes. Anjali.
She had an excruciating
Excruciating.
She had an
Excruciating.
Excruciating headache.
excruciating,
Excruciating.
excruciating. She had an excruciating headache. She had a painful, very painful. Yes. Shailendra. Oh, sorry, Shailesh.
Your problems are minuscule compared to others. Yes.
Your problems are minuscule
Minuscule
compared to
compared to
others.
theirs.
Because guys, this is also our human nature. We always tell about our problem. अरे भैया मेरे साथ ये हो गया, मेरे साथ मेरे mother-in-law ने ये कह दिया, मेरे husband ने ये कह दिया, मेरे बेटे के marks नहीं आए हैं. तो we always talking about our problems. But if we talk with others who are really facing some big problems, so then we can say, oh my God, your problems are minuscule as compared to my problems. My problems are minuscule as compared to yours.
You are showing you have lots of problems.
Next word.
It's an ancient building.
Buildings.
Yes, David, speak louder. That's an
Ancient building.
ancient building.
Yes, ma'am.
That's an ancient building. That's an ancient building. Got it?
Yes.
So
Ma'am, ancestral if I add here.
Huh?
Hello. Ma'am,
हाँ
if I add ancestral building.
नहीं ancestor तो होती है जो वो आपके पूर्वजों ने आपको दी है.
वो बना के रखते हैं.
Okay, so what the 5 words we have discussed? The first word is
Atrocious.
atrocious or appalling. Second word is
Horrendous.
horrendous. Third word is
Excruciating.
excruciating. Fourth one is
Minuscule.
minuscule. Fifth one is
Ancient.
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 ancient. Ancient. Okay. Now, guys, I'm going to share today's topic. The today's topic is timer start ho gaya kya? Today's topic is let bygones be bygones. Let bygones be bygones. Guys, please everyone note down, then I will explain. Let bygones be bygones. What does it mean? Let bygones be bygones.
जो हो गया
Whatever
उसे जाने
happens,
दो.
Yes.
whatever happens, forget it.
Yes. So whatever, just forgive, just forget the past, the horrible past experiences which you face. Just forget, just forgive, and just move on. And just move on. ठीक है? Don't think so much about the past, grudges. ठीक है? Just move on. Just focus on your present and the future with a clear state of mind. That is, let bygones be bygones. Vinod, Prem, Singh, Rajeshwari. Guys, are you getting this concept? Are you getting this topic? Just show me the virtual thumbs up, guys, if you're getting.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Got it, everyone? Just forget the past
Yes.
grudges
Yes,
or जो भी कुछ हो गया. Just focus on your present and the future with a clear state of mind, with a clean state of mind. Focus on your present. Okay. Now, Shailesh, you have to speak on this topic by everyone. But Shailesh has changed his topic, so that's why my major focus is on the Shailesh. Okay, guys, don't change this topic. You have to speak on this topic by using all the words which we have discussed in today's session. You just share your own experience. कोई एक experience तो सबके साथ हुआ होगा. You just share your experience. कि भाई मेरे साथ ये हुआ, फिर मैंने कहा अरे छोड़ो, past को छोड़ो, just forget about the past and just focus on the present. Got it?
Ma'am,
Okay. So shall I send you
ma'am,
into the
only
breakout? Huh.
Yeah.